In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital exhibit stickers in Adobe Acrobat DC. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but with these easy to follow steps, you'll be adding professional looking exhibit stickers to your PDF documents in no time. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to have your exhibit sticker ready. This means creating it using your favorite image editing application. Whether you prefer Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other software that you're comfortable with, go ahead and design your sticker. After you've perfected its look, download the final image file to your computer. This file is what we'll use in Adobe Acrobat to create the digital exhibit sticker. Once you have your design saved, it's time to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. With your document open, head over to the left-hand side where you'll see the All Tools tab. Click on it and you should find an option labeled Add a Stamp. This is where the magic happens. Selecting this option will open up new possibilities for customizing your PDF. When you click on Add a Stamp, you'll notice the option for custom stamps. Click on that, then select Create. This is the step where you bring your downloaded exhibit sticker into Adobe Acrobat. A dialog box will appear, urging you to browse. Click on Browse and navigate through your files until you locate the exhibit sticker you just saved. After selecting your sticker, click OK to proceed. It's important to pay attention to this step to ensure that the sticker you've worked on is the one being imported. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to choose a category for your stamp. Adobe gives you a few default options like Standard Business. However, you also have the flexibility to create a new category if that better suits your organizational style. This category acts as a folder, making it easier to find your stamp in the future. Don't forget to give your stamp a descriptive name. This is particularly helpful if you plan on creating multiple stamps for various purposes. A clear descriptive name makes it a breeze to locate the right one when you need it. Once you've sorted out the category and name, simply click OK to save your custom stamp. And there you have it. Your custom exhibit sticker is now a part of your Adobe Acrobat toolbox, ready to be used whenever you need it. Whether you're prepping documents for a court case, a business presentation, or any other professional scenario, you now have the skills to add that polished touch with ease. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.